Merry Christmas to all. I'm Mary and welcome to my channel, Rocky Mountain Gardens. Today I'm going to be decorating this Christmas tree. Secondhand Tracy Ann, who's a great friend, is hosting a collaboration or challenge, whatever you want to call it, to decorate our dream tree. Wow, this was such an inspiration for me personally because, as you know, if you've been following my channel, I am a gardener and I do a lot of gardening videos in the spring, summer, and fall, and then I change to home decor during the winter time. So today it is decorating this dream tree, and being a gardener, guess what? My tree is going to be celebrating the outdoors and gardening and everything we find in the garden. Flowers, the little creatures, birds who live outdoors in my backyard. So we're going to get started on this. And this video is going to be appearing, I guess you could say, on YouTube after my home tour, which I'm doing a few days earlier. And so you may have seen my tree on the home tour, but in this video, you'll get a chance to see how I created it. So we're going to go ahead and get started on that decorating and see all the different steps to put it together. And number one is this tree. I'm not sure if you can quite tell here, but it is a very slim tree. My living room area is quite small, and I had a flocked tree here in the past that was just too big for the space. And last year the lights died on it over the course of the holiday season. So off it went to Goodwill. And now I have a newer and slimmer tree that fits in my space better. So we're going to go ahead and start our decorating. Let's go. I have my Jingle Bell earrings on, if you hear them as I'm making my video. I'm going to be putting on these beautiful white roses onto the tree, and then I'm going to be adding these gorgeous red roses. And these are the florals I'm going to be using to give it that outdoor pretty garden look. Oh, I am just so excited about this tree so far. We're going to slowly go down and show you how it looks with the roses on, red and white, traditional Christmas colors. Wow, it is just stunning. So pretty. I hope you like it too. Step 2 is completed with my garden tree. I have added butterflies and birds and some little creatures like a deer, a Christmas sparkly deer, and oh my goodness, look at that cute little fox. We definitely have foxes in our neighborhood. Cardinals and goldfinches. Sad to say, cardinals do not live out here in the Rocky Mountains, but we do have owls and we have an occasional eastern blue jay. And coming around over here to this side, we have some pine cones and a few more little things like this very rustic birdhouse. Oh, and there's a gnome hiding behind the cardinal. And a cute little fawn. Isn't he darling? And look, a little white birdie dressed for the winter and a Christmas gnome. Step number 3. How can you add some sparkle to this tree? Well, we can use icicles and some Christmas traditional ball ornaments. So we have gold featured here. We have some interesting green ornaments and lots of icicles to add that sparkle. Because, of course, garden trees would have icicles hanging from them, wouldn't they? Next, we need to add a tree topper and decorate it. And then also, we need a tree skirt, which, as you can see right here, is quite bare. So let's go ahead and get a tree skirt set up along with the decorations that go with it. I've used faux snow for my tree skirt here at the base. And I have a darling little bear all ready for Christmas with his buffalo check bow. And then down here, nesting in the snow are two cardinals, and look back there, a little fox and a little owl. All the little creatures from the out of doors. And here's my little red truck with a festive Christmas bow, carrying some trees home. As we move up my garden tree, you'll notice that I've added some gold picks. And here at the top is my lovely angel. She's quite pretty, isn't she? Holding a little bouquet of roses, and she has her feathery wings. Looks so pretty. I really like her so very much. And we have gold picks surrounding her. I wanted to be sure to thank each and every one of you for stopping by my channel to see me decorate my dream tree, which is the garden theme. And I really am enjoying how it turned out. It still looks childlike, and I know children coming to my house will enjoy it, but it has that garden vibe, you know, that I wanted to have this year for this particular tree. And oh, be sure to check down below in my description box to see the playlist that Secondhand Tracy Ann will be putting up, where you'll get to see lots more ideas for decorating your own Christmas tree in your home. And you'll also see my very huge Christmas playlist as well, called Rocky Mountain Cottage Christmas. That's its name. It's a playlist for many ideas for all areas of your home to use this year. In any case, so long guys, Merry Christmas, and have a lovely holiday.